Hello and welcome back to the Retro Bunker channel. Today we're gonna look at very cool gaming system, old from the 1970s. I got this one from my co-worker Andreas Larsson, very good friend of mine. It's a Luxor Entertainment system. Looks like this. It's got two cool old joysticks, two games, cassettes. You put them inside here. Let's check it out on the bench. This is a console, as you see, Luxor Video Entertainment. It got 12 and 15 AC, not DC, and this is the joysticks, kind of old, and the games. It's kind of dirty, so you put them in like I showed you before and you release it. This time we're only gonna check if it works. I had already checked if the power supply works, that's okay. So let's go check it out. So as you see, your tanks, you can run the tank. And fire at the other one and the other joystick. You can run, but it has a, look at this cool joystick. The front is an arrow. You can drive it up, not down. Down it seems to be broken. You can fire. It has some difficulties. So we're gonna check this joystick out. We're gonna clean all this, make it nicer, but the most important thing today is to look inside. I don't remember which of this was broken, but I think we will open both of them and clean them out. So I will begin to open one of these. I put the console away. It's 4 screws. Kinda rusty. Been here inside for a couple of years. If it's in the 1970s, it's kind of many years in Andreas' families. It's a very brittle plastic, so we must be very careful now. Oh, I see the contacts makes when you push it. You can see if you can see inside of there. When you push, yes. See, we can have better light over here. If you see here, the metal here and the contact is here. So when you push the rod against the wall, the clips takes in the wall. So we begin to clean it. I think it's the simplest way to do this. Take it apart. Okay, it's got the ground. I zoom in, sorry. It got some cable going to this reeling. And the walls are very, very dirty, and the contacts extremely dirty. So we're gonna see if we're gonna clean them off. With a cotton bud. Look at this, it comes off. I think I will only clean them, not make any big repair on these ones today, only cleaning them. Will help them a lot. I'm very happy of this. Andreas has given me this one. I have never owned one of these myself. Maybe I can invite Andreas to be in the show, so he can explain that he played when he was a child. This one got a little bit of oxidation, so I'm gonna brush this one to see if we got better contact. But it's pretty cleaner now. On with a brush, steel brush. Doesn't seem like any cables are loose, so we'll put them back just right. It was. I will put the screws in some rust remover and put them back. I'll be doing that off camera. So they look a bit nicer now. Let's screw them back. And like everything else, counterclockwise till it clicks, and then you screw it in. So that was the first one. Let's look at the other one, but I think I will do the same with it. So now you can see the joystick is working. And fire, and the other one. That's all for today. It's a little bit shorter video today, but I will revisit this Luxor machine and test all the other games and clean it up and do some refurbish on the plastic, and that's all. So please like and subscribe. Bye.